Hi everyone, welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. So I'm doing another fluid art painting. I'm going to blend in a background and then I've got a cup of paint with some autumnal colours that I'm going to throw over the top. I've seen this technique done by one of my dear friends, Mano Petit Art. So I will link her channel down below. Please check her channel out, give her a follow, show her some love. And I've been really inspired by Mano because she's so creative. I saw her do this and I messaged her and I was like, something that I'm definitely going to try. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to take you down to see the canvas. I'll show you my colour palettes, but I've taped off my canvas slightly differently because there's something that I want to try. So I'll talk to you about that as well. So let's see what we can create. So this is my canvas. It's a 20 by 20 inch square, but as you can see I've taped off the canvas slightly differently because I want to paint in these areas first, and then when I've lifted up the tape I'm going to paint where the tape is another colour. So there's going to be a few parts to this piece, but in here, in this main part here, that's where I'm going to do some blending, and then I'm going to remove all my tape. It will show some gold and black. So I'm intending to do some gold border, a black border, and then some blending of browns, golds in the middle. And then I'm going to literally throw over some of these colours here. So these colours I associate with autumn, so reds, oranges, greens, yellow. So I'm going to mix some of those up and I'm going to place them on this canvas, but in a way that I've never done before. So let's go. So I'm just taking this gold paint, it's 24 karat gold by Deco Art, and I'm using my paintbrush and I'm placing the paint on the outer edge of the canvas. And all I'm going to do is take one section at a time, paint the canvas on the edges before I move on. So that's the gold, and you can see here that I've painted my edges and my sides. But when I lift up that green tape, I'm going to paint that a different colour. So I did say that I wanted to blend in some colours in the middle, including some golds. But as always, I change my mind as I go because I really just enjoy being in that moment of creativity. And I really wanted to blend in some greens first. So I'm taking two different tones of green, and again I'm just taking my paintbrush and blending in those colours. I'm going to ensure that all those greens are blended in, and then I'm going to add a little bit of orange and a little bit of red. Again, just blending in all those colours. If you're enjoying this video, please think about giving it a thumbs up and a like. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, it's free to do. I'd love for you to be there with me. So hit that subscribe button and you'll get notified when I release new videos. Okay, so I'm happy with that background. I feel like I've blended in the colours that I really want to use, including two different greens, an orange and a red. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to remove the tape that I've got around my edges. But let me show you the colours that I'm going to use to splash over the top of those colours. These are all autumnal colours. I really wanted to start doing some autumn pieces. So I've got the basics of a yellow, a green, an orange and a brown. I will list all my colours in the description box below, including the brands. And of course, I have got that striking red. So I'm going to place those colours in a cup and literally throw them on top of the canvas. But before I do that, I'm going to remove the green tape to expose the white canvas underneath, and then I'll decide what colour to paint it. Now, I did say that I was going to do black, but I'm really undecided, and I'll tell you why in a minute. Well, this is looking good, even if I do say so myself. So let me take you in now, just so I can show you some of that detail, some of that gold, and some of that blended middle before we move on in the process. Okay, so I have blended the middle, as I said I would, and I've done my gold edging. And my intention was to paint the canvas that's currently white, black. But I just don't know. And I think I'm going to leave it white because I actually like the contrast between the gold and the blended background. And then I'm thinking, but I said I was going to do black. And I don't know whether I want to do black or leave it white. But if I do leave it white, I am going to need to paint the canvas white, just so that it's not raw canvas, because it will go off colour over time. So I'm going to probably sleep on it and decide whether to keep it white or change it to black. Decisions, and I don't know if you can relate to this as an artist, but there are different things you can do. You never know if you're going to do the right thing. I'm going to sleep on it and I'll be back and I'll show you whether I've decided to paint it black or keep it white. So as you can see, I've decided to keep it white. So all I'm doing now is I'm taking those autumnal colours and I'm pouring them into a cup, ready to splash on top of the canvas. I think I'll do 2 cups, but I think I've got enough paint so far in this one. And I've got to tell you, when I did this process, I literally stopped breathing. I held my breath and just threw that paint. And some of it went directly straight off the table and through my camera stand. But you know what? It was a lot of fun. So I did do a second cup, but this time more with those lighter colours of the yellow and the green. So again, I just stood back and threw the paint onto the canvas to create a very splash freedom effect. And it was satisfying, so satisfying. Even if I did hold my breath, just in case I was thinking, am I going to ruin this design? But I had faith in the process and I just wanted to see how different I could create a piece. And you know what? I absolutely love it. I love the blended background, I love the gold edging, and I love that explosion of colour, all those autumnal colours in the middle. I'll let this dry and then I'll show you a dried version. So are you ready to see the dry version? It's proudly hanging on my wall just so I can show you that full effect. I really love how the light bounces off those gold edges and then the colours in the middle just pop out, explode out of that blended area. It's quite a messy design, but I love the freedom it gave me to just paint and create. I controlled the edging in terms of straight lines, but when I placed that paint into the cup and just took a deep breath and threw that paint across my canvas, it was so satisfying, and I'm definitely going to do another one, maybe 2, maybe 3. I don't know yet. I'd love to know what you think, and I'd love to know what colours you'd like me to play with. I really hope you've had fun, and I hope I get to see you again in the next video. Take care. Bye.